Yes.
Cutting down trees.
Thank you. Cutting down trees, yes. Bush planning, you're destroying our environment. Yes. Sorry? Throwing rubbish, yes. Littering around, you're destroying the environment. Keep the environment clean. That's why we have for a safe and clean environment. We should have a clean environment. Do not throw rubbish, like the boy said. We do not throw. Do not cut down trees. Do not burn bush burning. Do not burn bushes. So basically, our environment is a safe place, and that's why I'm here today. I want us to know that it is our responsibility to protect it. It should not be Sharon's responsibility. No, it should be everyone, starting from the small boy here. It should be your responsibility, baby, okay? It's everyone's responsibility. Your friend, your mother, your dad, your uncle, your sister, whoever, the teachers, their responsibility to protect the environment. So here we are conserving the natural resources. To conserve means to let our resources